Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Happiness Ada. My old subscribers, thank you very much. My new subscribers, you are welcome. Those have not subscribed, what are you guys waiting for? Please subscribe. Subscribe to your sister Happiness. Let's become friends, okay? So we'll be getting the wonderful food and the wonderful stories I've been giving out. Guys, please subscribe, please. Today's video, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how my child, my son, 11 years old, his reactions after watching my videos, guys. Oh gosh, I couldn't believe it. I made like 3 videos and I sent to my family, my brothers and sisters. I sent them my videos. So nobody has called me, nobody has replied, nobody have told me congratulations, you made video this, blah blah blah, whether good or bad. Nobody speak to me. So I was like, maybe my family is against me bringing my stories out. Am I the only one that faced difficult situation? I was asking myself, guys. So one faithful, let me just greet him as usual. We normally greet, talk, do as mother and son around my together, ask him things. So speaking with my child, on the process he paused. Guys, I was like, what happened? Talk to your mom. He started looking at my sister. Although I was doing video call with him, so my sister was sitting beside. I wasn't seeing my sister, it was only me and my son. I was like, this way you're looking at your aunt like this, staring at your aunt like this. What do you want from me? As usual. Guys, it was not easy. It was honestly. I never having in mind that my boy is going to tell me anything concerning my videos. So I was like, speak to your mom. What happened? Talk to me. I'm your mom. What happened? What do you want? Did anybody offend you? Tell me. Because my child is kind of somebody, even if the aunties offend him, he will tell me something, but will say, Mommy, don't tell them. Mommy, please, promise me you will not get annoyed. Mommy, promise me you're not going to react. Promise me you're not going to ask anyone. I will tell you. It's okay, no problem. My sister sitting down there. My son is looking at my sister, smiling. Stop talking to me. I was like, what happened? Tell me. I measured my sister's name. I told her, please, tell my son to speak to me. What is that he wants? Guys, do you know what this I want to tell me? My sister finally permit him to talk. He smiled. He said, Mommy, I watch your videos. I was like, I catch cold. I was like, my videos? Where did you see Mommy video? Mommy is where she's working. I'm not the internet. Guys, it was so I was shocked. I said, where did you see my video? I'm not the internet. Your mommy's videos? What kind of video did you see mommy fish out? What kind of my video did you watch? My son was like, Mommy, I watch your videos where you were saying your life stories. I didn't tell my son I want to come back to the internet. I didn't tell my son I'm opening the YouTube channel. I don't tell my son anything. I was like, where did you see my videos? I watch it on my auntie's phone. I said, okay, no problem. I said, how did you feel hearing your mommy's stories outside? My life stories. How did you feel hearing your mommy speaking bad English outside? Your mommy that did not go to school. How did you feel? Guys, my son is just, Mom, I'm so proud of you. I'm proud of you. Taking care of your siblings at the age of 11 years. Mom, I'm so proud of you. I'm proud of you. Mom, I'm proud of you. I was like, you're proud of me? I'm proud of you. Taking care of your siblings at the age of 11 years. Mom, I'm so proud of you. I'm proud of you. Mom, I'm proud of you. I was like, you're proud of me? Being out? Speaking nonsense? Sorry to say this. Not knowing what I was saying? So, Mom, I'm so proud of you. I'm proud of you. Mommy, soon I'll come out to your channel. I was like, that is my boy. That is my vow. I was very happy. Honestly, I was very happy because I never expect my son being the first person in my family to tell me, Mommy, I watch your videos, guys. I never expect him. I was even thinking maybe he'll be the last. And I want to surprise him. Maybe I will surprise, call him and tell him, have you watched my videos? No, knowing that this boy you want to tell. That was first thing. Mommy, I watch your videos and I'm proud of you. I couldn't hold my emotion. I was like, God, I'm so grateful to God for the kind of child he gave to me. I'm so grateful. Despite I don't have anything. I don't have much to take care of him, but I know I'm going somewhere. My son is such a son that when I'm in pain, he will come to me. I know my mommy is in pain. He begin to ask me questions. Mommy, why are you sitting down like this? Why are you not talking to me? Mommy, why are you crying? What is the problem? Speak to me. A little boy. I'll just look and say, what will I tell this boy? I'll just say, I'm not annoyed. I'm not feeling bad. I'm okay. No, mommy, I know when my mommy is okay. Mommy, you are annoyed. Tell me what happened. Who speak to you? Guys, I'm so happy. I'm so happy that my son is happy with me. I'm so happy that he will watch my videos and he's proud of his mom. Hey, I was very, very happy. I said, who am I? Without even telling me, Mommy, why did you come out? My friends would laugh at me. No, you don't even say anything. You just say, Mommy, I'm happy that you take care of your siblings. I'm happy at the age of 11 years, you take care of your father. I was like, guys, I decided to share this, my baby reaction out with you guys. Please, support me so my son will continue being happy. So guys, please support me. Don't allow the happiness of my son to die like that. Support me, please. Support my channel, please. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Like, comment, and share, please. Let this joy and happiness that comes out from my son's face, mind, speak out. Let it not just die like that. Please, guys. I want to move higher. I want to go higher. I want to go up. Please. Whosoever that watch this my video, if you're a YouTuber, please support me. What is that secret? God so for me. I'm just coming up. I don't have subscribers yet. Please, if you're a YouTuber, please. This is my channel, Happiness Ada. Please. I don't know how to contact anybody, but if you're a YouTuber, please help me, support me, promote me. Tell me what and what to do. I don't know much about YouTube, but I feel like coming out. I feel like coming out to speak, coming out to share my stories, coming out. At least I can be able to support my son and my life. Guys, please, I'm not ashamed of saying it. I decided to come out. I'm not ashamed of saying it. I have nothing. I've been posting my work. You guys see me, I'm working, what I'm doing. A lot is coming. Please, guys, support me. Please, guys, support me. Thank you, guys, for watching my videos, for tuning in. I will see you guys in my next video. Yalla, bye. Oh my God.